Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by turning the breaker off for the circuit feeding that switch, then confirm no voltage with a tester so you can work safely. Once done, remove the faceplate and the mounting screws. You want clear access. Make a quick photo of the existing wiring and note which wire goes to the common screw, because that mapping saves time later. If the tester shows power, stop and recheck the correct breaker, and don't proceed until it reads dead. You loosen the terminal screws and gently pull each wire free, keeping tension so they don't retract into the box. Tag hot, neutral, and traveler wires with tape for clarity. Once wires are free, inspect them for nicks or corrosion and trim and restrip about 3/8 inch if needed so you have clean copper for the new switch. Make sure the new switches, common and traveler terminals match the old mapping, because swapping those changes function. Line goes to the common. You connect each tagged wire to the corresponding terminal on the new switch, wrapping bare wire clockwise under the screw and tightening until snug so it won't loosen. Once mounted, replace the faceplate, turn the breaker back on, and test the switch function in each position. Confirm lights turn on and off and any three-way function works. If it fails, first cut power, recheck wiring tags and the common terminal. Loose or swapped wires are the usual culprit. Retest after correcting them.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.